KGiSL is doing something as well. In the Coursera for Business application, we have developed something we call skill sets. This is for our business customers. Our business customers are saying, hey, we are trying to create more machine learning software engineers. We're trying to create more Python proficient data scientists. Can you help us define what skills are required for different job roles so that our employees know what to upskill into? So we created these skill sets that are job role based, and they say, for this job role, here are the skills and the proficiency level, and then we give them the content to train. Well, once we started showing these skill sets to universities were like, wait a sec, you actually know what's happening on the business side because you have 4,000 customers and they're actually skilling people for those real jobs with those real skills using content that's on Coursera. Can my students see what those skill sets are? So if they want to be a product manager, it's not just hypothetical. We could show them what are the skill sets of actual product managers in actual companies. What are the skills that they're learning, what proficiency level, and even what courses are they taking? And what we allow the university to do is also benchmark the skills of their students in certain domains or against certain job roles against industry participants, employees who are in those same job roles and have the same skill development efforts. In the case of KGiSL, a lot of focus on Google Cloud, Google Analytics, AWS fundamentals, a lot of cloud-based learning, 60,000 enrollments, 50,000 learning hours.
This group of institutions has leveraged Coursera courses to prepare students for the jobs of the future by integrating Coursera within several initiatives. What they really focused on is Coursera guided projects, which help equip students with strong expertise in industry standard tools like Azure Cloud, Python, Canva, WordPress, etc. Their students actually completed more than 28,000 guided projects. It's again, a different kind of an employability outcome. So the special recognition for employability outcomes goes to KGiSL Educational Institutions. Unfortunately, again, KGiSL could not join us today. But they are happy to be recognized. From Coimbatore again.